I'm Las Vegas criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. Nevada law under NRS 484D.495 requires that seatbelts be worn by both the driver and any passengers in a motor vehicle. Here are 3 things to know. 1. Even though safety belts are mandatory, Nevada police may not pull over drivers solely because you are not wearing a safety belt. Instead, the police may issue a seatbelt citation only if the car has already been halted or if the driver is being arrested for another offense. 2. The penalty for not wearing a seatbelt is a $25 fine or community service, and no DMV demerit points will be added to the defendant's license. And 3. Under NRS 484B.157, children under 6 years old and 60 pounds or less must be secured by a child restraint system unless the child has a doctor's note explaining why it would be impractical or dangerous. A first-time offense for not using a proper car seat is $100 to $500 in fines or 10 to 50 hours of community service. But the judge will waive the fine if the defendant completes a 2-hour child seat education program. If you've been cited or arrested in Nevada, call my legal team today for a free consultation. The attorneys at the Las Vegas Defense Group will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.